Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on automatically read aloud on Google Play Books. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Google Play Books application on my mobile phone. And if you want to turn on the automatic read aloud feature, we need to go to the Google Play Books setting. You can tap on this profile icon on the top right, and then you're going to select the Play Books setting. Okay, and here you need to scroll down until you find the automatically read aloud. You can click on this checkbox to activate it. And now this feature has been activated, and we just need to go back to the book we want to read, and then the read aloud will be turned on automatically. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn on automatically read aloud on Google Play Books. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.